Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to make Telegram launch automatically when your PC starts, using the latest update. This is a simple setting, but it can save you time and make sure you never miss important messages. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings without any issues. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on those three lines to open the main menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize how Telegram works on your device. Inside the Settings section, scroll down a bit until you see the Advanced option. Click on it to open more detailed settings that control how the app behaves in the background and during startup. Now look for the option that says Launch Telegram when system starts. Once you find it, simply toggle it on. When this setting is enabled, Telegram will automatically open every time you turn on your computer.